no, if you spend it with your family, with your loved one, it's not a cheat day. It's a memory. Nando Baba Kabalen, welcome to Pampang for today's video. May question ako sa inyo guys, nakapag Lala Garden Cafe na bang lahat? Dahil sa video na to guys, I'm gonna tour you to this new trending and popular cafe dito po sa Angeles City. This is Lala Garden Cafe. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Hi! So ayun guys, this is the counter where you order. Kagandahan dito, yung pinaka center natin ng cafe is actually a real garden. So makikita nyo dito, real plants. So this is the first level. Meron pa tayong second level. Parang doon medyo mas intimate, no? Yung second level natin. Ayun, so isa pa sa mga attraction nila dito, and actually it's still an amenity, no? I think they call this para mga Japanese seats. Ayan. Very rare sa mga cafe, coffee shop, restaurant na meron tayong ganitong style. This is the second level. Ayan, 360 view. Hi, Mami. 360 view. Ayan, guys. Pero pagdating nyo dito, guys, it's worth it. According to our orientation, actually, it's around 250 guests yung pwedeng mag-ano dito, mag-occupy at any given point. And the time na nandito kami, guys, hindi humihinto yung mga tao. Ayun nga guys, so aside sa napakagandang ambience, isa pa sa mga nagugustuhan nila dito is yung food. Actually, so let me introduce to you guys. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga drinks natin. Meron silang mga refreshers, fruit shakes. Meron din tayong mga coffee, tsaka non-coffee base. Available po sila dito. So you have a wide variety of choices for the drinks naman. Now, for the salad, this one, I think this is a kani mango salad. This one is a chicken naman, yung flavor natin. I think this is an non-meat, no? All veggies siya. And as well as this one, I think this is non-meat din, no? Now, sa mga pasta, ayan, so this is a carbonara. So this one is a meatball pasta. Meron naman tayo sa kabila ng aglio olio. Now for the clubhouse, meron tayong dalawa. I think this is a tuna topped with, you know, mga mixed veggies. Ito naman parang na breakfast side, yung mga meat, eggs, ham, bacon. Now for the pizzas, ito yung pizzas natin. Margarita, and then the other one's all meat. Yan. So for only 570 pesos, choose from whichever you like. Although mayroon tayong pang croissant, iba-iba pa. But one of the must-try daw dito is yung cream puff natin, which is this one. So, I think I'm gonna start with one of their best sellers, or mga must-try is this one. Oh, look at that cream puff. Cheese. No, if you spend it with your family, with your loved one, it's not a cheat day. It's a memory. Oh yeah, sarap. Cheers. All right, margarita pizza. Ito yung nasa all veggies, non-meat side na pizza. Ang sarap ng basil nila, napaka-fresh. Ayan. Cheers!
Kahit crowded dito, hindi masyado maingay.
Kasi yung space, no? Alright, so guys, another place for you to check out. This is Lala Garden Cafe, located po dito sa May Angeles City. All the details we're gonna be including in the caption below here. And guys, just check it out. So if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the place, guys, no, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And when you share it, guys, please tag nyo po yung friend nyo para ma-realize niya. It's a sign. You gotta go check this out. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye, guys.
Pinapati ko pala yung mga katropa natin, Lala Fix. Sa Malabanyas.
Ayun.